Hello everyone, I am Anamika Singh and in this video I am going to share you the details that how you can remove or uninstall the Cloudera Quickstart VM from your system, your PC. Okay, in previous video I had shared the details that how you can set up Cloudera Quickstart VM in your laptop so that you can do Hadoop related exercises with HDFS, Hive, Pig, MapReduce, HBase, Scoop and all. And you will be hands-on, you will be good to do the exercises, practicals and all, but it is having issue, and issue is with memory. It is going to take lots of disk space and physical memory in the sense RAM from your laptop, and that will slow down your system. Minimum it required 4 GB memory, and maybe for better performance you are going to allocate 6 GB or 8 GB or even more than that. So in that case, that memory will be reserved by it and your system will be slowed down. It will not performing better. Okay, your system will hang a lot. So what to do? The better solution is whenever you need to do the exercise and practicals related to Hadoop services, then do the setup, install it, complete your exercise, and once you are done, then simply remove it from your laptop. Don't keep it unnecessarily running. Okay, so if you are doing this, then your system will be safe and healthy. So how to completely remove it? What you can do here, you can see this is Oracle VM VirtualBox Manager where I have imported this Cloudera Quickstart VM. It is in running state currently. Okay, and if you want to check out for the installation, you can go to the previous video, you can check it out. In this video we are going to delete it, remove it from the system. Okay, so here it is in running state. What I will do, I will go to Cloudera. This Cloudera Quickstart VM. You can see this is already set up and it is running. Here you can see Cloudera Quickstart VM 5.4.2, which I have imported there, and it is in running state. Simply what I can do, I will cancel from here. I will close it. So let's click on this, and here you can see three options are there. One is save the machine state, send the shutdown signal, and power off the machine. If you are planning to keep it and later you can open again, you can use, and whatever you have did already, you want as it is to reutilize, then you can go for save the machine state. But if you are planning to remove it completely, and I also recommend that remove it completely, so your system will be safe. Okay, click on this option, power up the machine. Click here and simply click on OK. Once you do it, then it is closed. Now here you are back. You can see now the status is powered up. Previously it was in running state. Simply click here, and here you can see remove option is there. Okay. Click on remove, and here you have three options: delete all files, remove only and cancel. If you will do remove only, again it will be not completely removed. Click here, delete all files. So there will not be any reference for this Cloudera Quickstart VM. And next time, whenever you need, again you have to install from fresh, from beginning. Okay, so let's click on this option, delete all files, and then it will be completely delete. It will be removed, and it will be okay. See, I removed, and once I clicked on that option, then it's gone. Now you can see again it's completely blank. Next time, whenever you want to do the setup, go to File, click on Import Appliances and import that wherever it is. Okay, click here, browse the location and import that. That you can do. As of now, I am not going to do that because this video is only for removal and installation of that. So I will close it. So this is done. This is Oracle VM VirtualBox Manager, which I have installed, where we can import that Cloudera Quickstart VM. So if you want, you can uninstall this as well, but not required. This is not going to take any memory and all. This is in MBs only. So this is manageable. You can keep this, and whenever you need this time, then do the setup, do the import, and go ahead with the practicals. Again, you remove the Cloudera and keep your system safe. Okay, so like this, you can do the removal and you can keep your system in healthy state. I hope that this video was informative for you. If so, please like, comment and subscribe to this channel. And next video, we will meet again with some informative topics and some new learning. By that time, have a good day. Bye.